Hi friends, welcome to This Kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make a Rava Ladoo. So let's start.
Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have 500 grams of Rava, Suji, Semolina, 1 teaspoon green cardamom powder, elaichi powder, 1 cup powdered sugar. You can adjust the sugar according to the sweetness you prefer. 20 tablespoons of milk, handful of raisins and Cashewnuts, 6 tablespoons of ghee. Here I have pan which is hot. Now we'll add the semolina. And we'll dry roast it on low flame for 5 minutes. Our semolina is dry roasted. Now we'll remove 4 tablespoons of dry roasted semolina and keep it aside. Now we'll add ghee. And again we'll roast it with the ghee for 5 minutes on low flame. Mix well with the ghee. Our semolina is well dry roasted with the ghee. Now we'll add the sugar. Mix well. Now we'll add the elaichi powder and raisins. Mix well. Now we'll add the milk. Mix well. And now we'll again cook it on a low flame for 5 minutes. Our mixture is ready. Our mixture is ready. Now we'll transfer it to a pan and cool it down for 10 minutes, and then we'll make the ladoos. Our mixture is cooled down now. Now we'll make the ladoos. Roll it in between your palms. And then we'll roll it in the roasted semolina. I have added little bit of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of it. Same way we need to do it with rest of the mixture. Our Rava Ladoos are ready. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.